As a trainer, you need your content to work for a variety of people. Here are 5 tips on how to adapt your content into different learning styles. For visual learners, images are important. They need to see it to understand it. Enrich your training with graphics, pictures, and diagrams. Auditory learners prefer to learn with sound. That's why they love audiobooks and podcasts. Listening to a recording of the lesson will sure help these learners. Kinesthetic learners need something hands-on to remember. Include small gamification elements, quizzes, or follow-along videos in your training sessions. And then, of course, some need a little bit of everything. Multimodal learners prefer to mix together their own learning adventures, so make sure you offer enough options. Finally, explainer videos like this appeal to multiple learning styles. Add a little quiz to the mix and you've got everyone happy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn more or check out simpleshow.com for more training resources. Feel free to leave your questions and suggestions in the comments. We love hearing from you.